Essentially, we spray paint.
We spray paint. Yeah. Alright.
And then from there, like, I might use the tip to try to make, like, lines or, like, my initials or something with the silver as an accent point. So I don't really know how to spray paint. We should walk through it.
I mean, it's simple enough.
Yeah, I know. But there's got to be better, good ways. You know?
There's no secret technique to spray painting. Spray paint. Now just do that over here.
But what if there's a secret technique?
Alright, then where's your phone?
Yeah, looks good.
You learned a whole bunch from that.
Yeah, so I'm gonna spray paint it.
Oh! Oh my god!
What, do you take care of your phone? Okay, so the primary is to avoid this. I'll do my best to paint something that's gonna happen.
Yeah.
I'll still look fine. This. Really high price of it. Literally just nothing.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay. Spray paint it.
There we go. I really like this. It already looks really good on. Honestly, I'm a little amazed. I really did not think this would work as well as it looks like it's going to.
What do you mean? It's just spray paint.
Well, look
You
at it.
didn't miss an area right there.
Yeah. We'll get it with second coat anyway, but I do want to be pretty thorough.
You breathing it in?
No, I perfectly wasn't.
Come on down. Take a huff. Man, that's looking real good.
Yeah, no, right? I'm actually very happy with it so far.
Getting a little too into
I think
it.
it's good. Yeah, there's some puddling.
Yeah.
I think this fly that just walked on it is totally trapped now because its legs are probably covered in paint.
Ew. Yeah, the thing that might go wrong is inside, where it'll puddle up at the bottom.
Yeah, that's true. So I'll be lighter on inside and we can do more cooks.
Yeah, you might want to do it from like further away.
Yeah.
That is looking real good, actually.
I am actually so happy.
It looks like a Barbie toolbox.
I know, it's exactly what I wanted. And that's only the first coat.
Yeah.
The small problems areas, that's literally fine if there still are, but hopefully they get a little better looking with the two coats. Maybe one more coat on the paint even. This, I'm just not even going to care about the hinge,
Yeah.
because what happens to it. I keep forgetting that these have like a child safety cap. And I keep just trying to rip them off.
Oh, that's not. That was close.
Yeah.
I was gonna move it so it doesn't get gray on it.
I mean, there's no pin on the bottom, so I'll probably find it drag a little bit. Be careful.
Alright.
I'm really excited to see how this looks.
The silver? Yeah. Especially on black. Oh, that looks pretty good.
That looks pretty good. That looks pretty good.
Damn, why is this working?
I have no idea.
This isn't how things that we do
You're
go.
a madman for making up this idea. It's so working. I'm actually really happy that I can still see the Home Depot logo through here. Because I can see it on the front and I kind of wanted that. But I just want the implication on the...
That you have a pink Home Depot.
Exactly, yeah. Damn.
Nice.
Damn. Ooh, I am actually so happy.
Those look real good.
I know.
Oh my god.
Oh, we're drinking it so hard right now.
We're 11 minutes in. How did this not go horribly wrong?
No, like it's been a whole 11 minutes and nothing bad has happened yet.
It's gonna blow
One
up.
of us is gonna fail. One of us is gonna need a hospital.
It's gonna be you. I'm so used to paint.
Keep some in your room just for fun. Maybe this has gone wrong.
I don't want my phone to be covered in paint, but I want a close up. I would cry, actually.
Cover the whole thing in like plastic wrap and then we get a really cool shot. And then you can't see shit. You seeing dead spots?
This corner here?
Nice. And then under that latch is gonna be a dead spot. So that's gonna be for the second coat to deal with. Okay.
Looking pretty good.
Yeah.
How's this doing?
So let's look for the thinnest area that's also least consequential. Probably somewhere like down here. Yeah, it's doing pretty good. Now let's look for a thick area. It's puddling in some spots, but this is the most.
Yeah, it's puddling right here.
Under this lip I missed because I'd already put too much. Even the puddly parts are only like gel at this point though. They're not like wet. But they're still movable. So. It's not the cleanest. That's the other thing.
It's fine.
Yeah, that'll be good. That'll be good.
A lot better than what I was expecting.
Yeah, me too. In terms of like, it's literally, there's some dirty stuff on it that'll wipe off some of it.
Ready for a second coat?
Yeah.
How's this area doing? Still a little wet.
Yeah, it's still wet enough to where I don't think it's best idea, but I do not want to be here all day. Let me do my first coat inside instead. Because then, really the only areas that are touching are going to be like here, maybe there. So
And then you have to do the bottom at some point?
Yeah. Let's see what the balance is like. Ooh, let's still go. Literally none of it touches.
Nice.
Nice. Yeah.
A little dirty on the inside.
It's a big part of that. It smells like a manufacturer.
All right, time for the other side.
Yeah. It is a little bit sticky. I like that. I'm pretty happy. I really like getting there. I almost don't want to do a design at this point because I don't want to fuck it up. It looks so good, you know?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna do the accent color on the handle and the latches, and I think I'm really just happy with that.
All right.
Okay, let's rip it. I was ready to have these wet socks be fucked with anything, so. What should we do? You cool with that? No?
No, let's keep it to the table.
Gotcha. In which case those latches can be moved, and that's where my shoes should go.
Yeah, they should be dry.
Yeah. Oh my, this is so good. Jesus Christ. It's like scary good, like I'm scared.
Yeah,
clean
stop
after.
throwing your phone, man.
No, man.
All right.
And let's try to get that this way a little bit. I just did the outside.
It's not as cute on a dirty shoe.
100% true, but I was ready for the silver line, which I didn't like in the first place. Yeah, I mean that's it.
Nice.
Silver. Let's see how it looks. This should be dry enough. Yeah, pretty good. Look at that. Beautiful color.
It's gray with a little bit of sparkle.
Just a little bit.
It looks real good on the soles of the shoe.
This is true. Okay.
Beautiful.
Why does it do that?
It's probably dirt that the silver is sticking onto.
Yeah, it's almost entirely right. That's where the dirt streak was, yeah. Okay. My
Nice.
shoes look like that now.
Now you don't have shoes for 10 to 20 minutes.
Yeah, probably more because it's fall.
Cool, now what?
Cool, let's play more football. How much trouble it's gonna prove. Oh, I'm kind of getting. It's rubbing off. Of this metal, it's rubbing off. I got it on there a little bit, which I don't really care about. But if it becomes a problem, it will become a problem.
Yeah. It's not going to stay perfect forever.
Yeah, exactly. It's a little moist too, is the thing. So it's in there. I just need to like pop it in there. You know? It's this way, right? Yeah, it's this way. Yep, that's it. So it definitely peeled some of the paint. In terms of like the paint on the thing that I just jammed in. But it's in there now. I like that a lot. It's not gonna look perfect forever.
Yep. But it looks real good now.
Yeah. It comes off of this really easy. Maybe we should do another coat. That's fine. Because like literally it just already is. But maybe I'll coat the paint so I can touch up throughout the year if need be.
Yeah. Or you could put a cover of clear on it.
True. We get a little top coat action going.
Oh, that went on easy.
Yeah, because I knew what I was doing this time and I was less careful.
That is adorable.
I know.
Oh my god.
I am so happy. Now it's just this.
Yeah.
Is it black right now?
Yeah,
We'll
it is.
see. We'll see if I even touch that. It would look really cute in silver. I'd probably definitely have to do a few coats on that though, because that's what I'll really be holding on to. I'll sweat through it pretty quick.
Well, it might look good black since that's black too.
Yeah, true. I think that might be what I do. We'll see.
But for now, it's really good.
We'll see.